Being gay and getting a new job, it is something that I just experienced because it just happened to me. And having to come out all over again and again and again. And it's kind of like a lifelong journey, I guess, as you meet new people. And especially if people expect you as being straight or being married or having a girlfriend or a wife. Okay, now this is something that just happened to me this past week. And I thought this would be a perfect video topic. I got a new job at a restaurant to make some extra money while I'm going to focus on a new career in commercial real estate. Now, this is like kind of fun for me because I'm going into a whole new work environment, a whole new set of people, which I love. I love people, I like talking, right? Obviously, I have a YouTube channel, I talk to you guys, this phone, but I went in for my first day and I literally sit down, and of course the manager before the shift, it's a new job at a restaurant, so there's bartenders, there's hostesses, there's servers, there's the GM, the regular manager, the bar manager, beach servers, all that stuff. So we sit down and they go over the menu and they go over the specials for tonight, and then they go, oh, we have a new guy with us tonight. His name is Nick. You know, if you want to stand up and introduce yourself. And of course I'm like, hey guys, my name's Nick. Nice to meet you, excited to work with everybody. And then, you know, of course, the shift starts going on. You start meeting people. The hostess, the girls are like, oh my gosh, you're so cute, blah, blah, blah. How old are you? Then it goes into that. Oh, how old is your girlfriend or your wife? And then that's where it's like, okay, well, I actually don't have a wife. I have a partner and a future husband shortly on July 12th. We're getting married. And I think it's really funny because their expressions and the way that they react, 99% of the time, oh my gosh, that's great. Or it's, oh, of course, all the good looking guys are always gay. Or, wow, I had no idea. You don't seem like you're gay at all. And I would get that a lot. And I'm like, well, what exactly does that mean? Is that mean like I don't seem gay? Like what? My tone, my mannerisms? What does being gay actually look like and act like? And in their heads, I know they're probably thinking super flamboyant, extra, maybe wearing, you know, makeup or painted nails or whatever. But as I'm getting more comfortable with myself over these past years and coming out, because I remember I used to be so scared of like having to lie. That'd be a perfect example where, let's say, they ask about if I have a girlfriend or whatever, and I would just lie and say, yeah, I have a girlfriend, we've been dating, you know, for a year. And then they're like, oh, what's her name? And then I'm like, oh, Becca, Brittany, Candace, like whatever. And I'm just like, oh my God, now I have to remember that, because now next time they see me, or if they look on our social media, my social media page, and it just turns into this whole lying and anxiety, and then you're stressed out and it's like, oh my God, do they know? And so anyway, it's been really good. This is the second job I've come into where I'm just completely 100% myself. The first one was the boats, the boat rentals, the charters, and I didn't lie. I was 100% me, and I'm talking about even in my recovery. Same thing. When I came into this job this past week, they know I'm in recovery. They know that I'm gay. They know I have a partner. They know he's older, it's an age gap, and they also know we're getting married. And I'm not holding anything back anymore, and I'm not gonna lie to impress or try to be perceived as this other person, because I don't need to make other people happy. I am gonna live for me. I'm gonna be true. I'm gonna be authentic, authenNick. And if they wanna be my friend and be around me and they like me and support me, then cool. If they don't, that's fine. We don't have to hang out. I don't need to impress anybody or be known as a certain way. So anyway, I just thought this was a really good video to make. I hope you guys are all having an amazing weekend. I'm sorry I haven't been able to make a lot of YouTube videos lately. I've literally been trying to sell the business, the career change, starting a new job. It's just been a lot, especially even planning for the wedding. So I love you guys. I hope you all enjoy. Let me know in your comments below, have you experienced anything like this? Have you gotten to the point where you're just comfortable being yourself 100% and open up and just let people know right off the rip? Because that's kind of where I'm at. And so that's it for the video. Peace, love, and happiness. If you guys want to join the channel, we go live every Wednesday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I look forward to seeing you. See ya.